Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW M2 versus Camaro SS. We'll start by looking at their raw power. The BMW M2 boasts 453 to 473 horsepower and 406 to 442 pound-feet of torque, depending on the model and transmission. The Camaro SS, on the other hand, offers a robust 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. This translates to impressive acceleration for both, with the M2 hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.9 to 4.1 seconds and the SS in 4.0 to 4.3 seconds. Next, let's explore how these cars handle on the road and track. The BMW M2 is known for its nimble, capable feel, thanks to its adaptive M suspension and M Sport differential. It provides precise steering and a playful rear-wheel drive character that enthusiasts love. The Camaro SS counters with its magnetic ride control, which adjusts damping in real time for a balanced ride. Both offer engaging driving experiences, but with distinct personalities. Moving inside, we examine the interior and practicality of each vehicle. The BMW M2 provides a sporty cabin with M Sport seats and a high-tech curved digital display. While its rear seats are snug, the M2 offers 13.8 cubic feet of trunk space. The Camaro SS presents a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and advanced infotainment. However, its trunk space is more limited, at approximately 9 cubic feet, making the M2 slightly more versatile for cargo. Finally, let's consider value and our concluding thoughts. The BMW M2 typically starts around $68,200, with ownership costs varying based on maintenance and insurance. The Camaro SS offers a compelling value, with base models starting around $43,895, often undercutting European rivals. Both cars deliver exhilarating performance, but the M2 leans towards a refined, track-focused experience, while the SS provides raw American muscle at a more accessible price point. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.